Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add an email address with Google Workspace. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you have already your Google Workspace plan so that you will be able to log in successfully and to access all of its features. And once you log in, you will go to your admin console, which is right here. And once you go here, you will just have to go to the users, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that so that you will be able to add your user. So once you're here, what you will have to do if you already have an existing user, you will just have to click select user. Then you will click add email address, and then you will enter the new address or alias. And of course, you will just have to save the changes, and new email will be linked to that user. And then you will just have to configure the Gmail and send mail as to send emails from the new address. And by the way, you will use this feature to manage your departments, support emails, or personal aliases efficiently. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.